Two business card giants go head-to-head in 2025. Ink Business Unlimited or BofA Business Advantage Customized Cash Rewards. Which one really delivers? On the left, Ink Business Unlimited. Simple, unlimited rewards for every dollar spent. On the right, BofA Business Advantage Customized Cash Rewards. Pick your top earning category and maximize business rewards. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll know exactly who comes out on top. The result might just surprise you. All right, quick mind map time. Here's everything we'll be comparing. Cashback rates and how they work, fees and APRs, welcome offers, how flexible the rewards are, and how easy they are to use, all those extra perks like protection features, and, yep, even how these cards stack up for international use. Got it? Cool. Let's jump in. First up, the cashback rate and structure. So how much are you actually earning with each swipe? Ink Business Unlimited is, well, super straightforward. You get 1.5% cash back, unlimited, on every single purchase. No caps, no, did I pick the right category this month? It's just simple. But if you're the type who drops most of your spend in certain areas, honestly, you might not squeeze out those extra rewards from a flat rate. Switching gears, BofA's card gives you some customization. You get 3% cash back in a category you pick, from things like gas, office supplies, travel, you name it, up to $50,000 per year. After that, it drops to 1%. You also get 2% at restaurants and 1% everywhere else. So for folks with focused spending, that's a nice chunk extra in your main category. The one thing, though, you got to keep an eye on that $50,000 cap. Winner here? BofA takes the top spot. Now, let's talk fees and APR, because no one likes surprises. Ink Business Unlimited. No annual fee, which is sweet, plus a 0% intro APR for purchases during the first year. Not bad at all, right? The regular APR once that ends is a bit on the higher side, though. And if you're spending outside the US, watch for a 3% foreign transaction fee. As for BofA Customized Cash, also 0 annual fee. And the APR is pretty competitive for a business card. But there's no 0% intro APR for purchases. What you see is what you get. Both cards hit you with foreign transaction fees, so neither is ideal for tons of international charges. Verdict: honestly, these come out about even here. All right, let's get pumped about those welcome offers. Ink Business Unlimited is swinging big. Spend $6,000 in the first 3 months and boom, $750 bonus cash back. Now, yeah, you gotta hit that higher spend. So if your expenses aren't massive off the bat, it's a bit of a stretch. BofA's card is actually easier to unlock. Spend $3,000 in the first 90 days and you grab a $300 online statement credit. So less risk, but also less reward, you know? Compared side by side, Ink takes the win with that hefty bonus. And here's something cool you might not know. BofA's 3% category isn't locked forever. You can actually change your top bonus category each month. So if your business goes heavy on fuel one season, then shifts to travel or office supplies later, you just swap it out. Super flexible. Next, let's see which card keeps things flexible and easy to manage. Ink Business Unlimited is all about simplicity. No categories, no guessing. It's just 1.5% every time. Plus, you can hand out employee cards for nada, so scaling is painless. Downside? If you're bulking up spending in a certain area, you miss out on category bonuses. Now, BofA Customized Cash, you actually pick your top earning category and switch it month to month as your business changes. And here's something cool. If you qualify for BofA's Preferred Rewards program, you could earn up to 75% extra rewards. But there's always a catch. You do need to watch those categories and spending caps to get the most out of it. All in all, Ink makes life easier, so it takes this round. Let's check out those extra perks. Ink Business Unlimited packs in purchase protection, extended warranty, and auto rental collision damage waiver. Not much in the way of travel perks, though, if you were hoping for those. On the other hand, BofA gives you standard fraud monitoring and some general security features, but, you're not getting those juicy chase protections you see with Ink. Winner here? Ink is ahead on this front. All right, international use. A quick one. Both cards are accepted pretty much everywhere, which is awesome for business travel. But, and this is a biggie, both cards ding you with a 3% foreign transaction fee. So if your biz spends overseas a lot, honestly, neither is your dream pick. It's a tie. If you're a visual thinker, let's take a look at how these cards stack up, side by side, across all our categories. It's pretty clear BofA's cashback customization shines for people with focused spending, but Ink's simplicity and richer bonus pack some real heat elsewhere. So, bottom line, if you want a card that's easy, unlimited, and generous on the sign-up bonus, Inc. Business Unlimited is the way to go. But if most of your spending fits one category and you want to play that bonus game, especially with BofA's Preferred Rewards program, their customized cash rewards card could earn you more, especially if you're savvy enough to switch categories with the seasons. Honestly, pick based on which card matches your business style best.
Enjoyed that breakdown? Make sure to follow for more real deal business card comparisons. I do tons of these, so if you want to keep leveling up your business,